हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों, हम लोग आज बात करेंगे मेजरमेंट एट इंस्ट्रूमेशंस के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण हो सकते हैं। यहाँ पे हम लोग आज बात करेंगे पहले वन वर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस यानी वन वर्ड आंसर्स के बारे में। तो पहले क्वेश्चन तक आगे बढ़ते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि द एक्सटेंट टू विच द मेजर्ड वैल्यू डेविएट्स फ्रॉम द ट्रू वैल्यू ऑफ द मेजर्ड। आंसर इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर आ जाएगा रिलायबिलिटी इज रिलायबिलिटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज सेज दैट द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ discernible or detectable output changes as the measured in continuously varied over the range. The right answer is that resolution is that resolution. The next question, question number 6. The time required for the output of measuring device to reach a specified percentage of its final value as a result of a step change of measured. The right answer is that is response time is response time is response time. The next question, question number 7. The algebraic difference between the maximum and minimum limit of range. Very important question. The algebraic difference between the maximum and minimum limits of the range. The right answer is that Spain is Spain. The next question, question number 8 is that question number 8 is that for the ability of a measuring device to retain the repeatability and the other characteristics throughout its specified operating the life and storage life. The right answer is that is stability is stability. The next question, question number 9. The measured value over which are specified by value by upper or lower limit. The right answer for question number 9 is that is range. The next question, question number 10 is that the time required for the output of a measuring device to raise from 10% to 90% of its final value. The right answer is that is rise time is rise time. The next question, question number 11 is that the amount of output measured beyond the final steady output value in response to step change in the measured. The right answer is that is overshoot is overshoot. Next question, question number 12 is that is the maximum deviation of any calibration point obtained for either increasing or decreasing output from the best fit straight line having a overall minimum deviation. The right answer is that linearity is that linearity. The next question, question number 13 is that the maximum difference in output for the same measured value within the range of measuring device, one obtained by increasing from 0 and other by decreasing from higher value of the measurement. The right answer is that is hysteresis is hysteresis. The next question, question number 14. Question 14 says that the algebraic difference between the indicated or observed value and the true value of the measured. The right answer is that is error. Is error. The next question, question number 15 is that the random change in output under constant measured and normal operating condition. The right answer is that drift is the right answer. Next question, question number 16. Question number 16. A test during which standard values of measured are applied to the measuring device and the corresponding output readings are compared with the standard values. The right answer is that calibration is calibration. The next question, question number 17, is that the time during which a device or system to insensitive after receiving a stimulus to any other impulse or stimulus. The right answer is that is dead time. Is dead time. The next question, question number 18, is that is the utilization of supplemental device materials or process to minimize known source or error. The right answer is that is compensation. Is compensation. The next question, question number 19, is that a calibration during which the measurement varies with the time in a specified manner and the output is recorded as a function of time. The right answer is that is dynamic calibration. Is dynamic calibration. The next question, question number 20, is that characteristics of measuring device which related to its response to variation of the measured the time. The right answer is that is dynamic characteristics. Is dynamic characteristics. The next question, question number 21. Question 21 says that the impedance presented to the excitation sources measured across the excitation terminals of a measuring device. The right answer is that is input impedance. Is input impedance. The next question, question number 22. The impedance across the output terminals of a measuring device presented by it to associated external circuitry. The right answer is that is output impedance. Is output impedance. The next question, question number 23rd, is that the physical quantity, property, or condition that is measured. His right answer is that is measured. Next question, question number 24, is that the maximum magnitude of measure that can be applied to a measuring device without causing a change in performance beyond specified tolerance. The right answer is that overload. The next question, question number 25, is that is a change in output, a change in output over a specified period of time at a specified ambient condition with input held constant. The right answer is that zero shift. Is the right answer is the zero shift. Thanks for watching and sharing.